My husband has wanted a boat for as long as I've known him. Not a yacht necessarily, just the freedom of being on the water. It's one of those dreams that always seemed a little bit out of reach while we're busy raising kids, building businesses, working, just trying to keep up with life. Then something completely unexpected happened. Through a chance meeting, a stranger offered my husband something we never imagined we'd own, a 90s yacht. So somehow, here we are. And today we're pulling out our gifted yacht from the water for the first time, scraping years of muscles from the hull, visiting the canvas shop, choosing fabrics, and just trying to figure out what this next chapter looks like. You know what, guys? Sometimes life can change because of years and years of planning. And other times, a stranger can walk into your life and change the course completely. They're going to paint all this the dark blue. So they have to finish picking off all these muscles stuck to the boat.
They're painting all this.
Ooh.
Blisters.
Oh, the blisters?
Right, so they sanded it down, they, epoxied it.
Okay, so let's go to the canvas shop. It was a super big warehouse and they do upholstery, flooring, lighting, basically all your cosmetic boat needs. And they have a sewing area, so let's pick out some fabrics. So these are the fabrics for the drapery, and this is the carpet. So we're leaning between this carpet and this carpet.
Okay. How long do you think it would take to do it?
If the carpet's in stock, it comes from LA, so that takes like 3 days.
Piloted it over.
Drove it still.
Drove it,
Yeah,
right?
you're
They
still
drive
driving the
boats.
boat.
Yeah, drove the boat on the water though.
So I just want to update the striped upholstery, the dirty carpet, and the pink drapes. Okay, so I was super excited because they actually gave me Sunbrella, like a whole list of options. And you have the earth tones, and then you have the neutrals. And I was completely torn, you guys, between the gray and the Dover white. But then I was like, look at this one. Because I feel like when you have that texture, kind of like a faux Chanel tweed, it kind of hides a lot of the dirt, a lot of the color transfer from jeans, etc. I asked chat, I was like, show me a mock-up with the Sorrento cloud, show me a mock-up with the textile cloud, show me a mock-up with capriccio cloud, and I did a really good job of incorporating the drapery fabric, the rug, and the cushion fabric, and all the different colorways. And I think we're gonna go with this one, Sorrento cloud. It's a perfect combination. It's a grège, which is beige and a gray. And I think it'll really hide all of the dirt. Let me know in the comments which one you guys would pick out of all of them. So remember, the canvas is already a royal blue color. And I think the neutrals will really be a nice play off all that busyness. So anyhow, we'll see you in the next video and we will have an update. You guys will be able to see the interior of the boat and check on the progress.
Yeah.
All right. There's another engine compartment too, but these are the 350 horsepower 454 Crusader big blocks. And we just replaced all the hoses on these, only 200 hours, and these things start right up like new.
Estate sale time.
It's kind of cute. Where did sale go?
Looking at the cookbooks, look bad bitch in the kitchen. I did go to culinary school for 2 years. I haven't really been into looking at cookbooks. Everything's pretty much on the internet. Sometimes you just want to look and browse the photos. Look at this lap desk. This is something I need. It has these two soft things on the back. You just sit it on your lap. $60.